just lending half an ear to my singing. I would appreciate any advice you could give me. Who knows? You might like my song so much, you'll want to keep it in the show.
Okay. Well, listen. You get out there and sing.
Okay.
Okay.
Musicians, beautiful dreamer, key of R. Beautiful dreamer, wake up to me.
No, lower.
Starlight at your rooftop waiting for me.
Don't hold back, just let it go.
Sounds of the river up early today.
Faster, you're too slow.
Up on the moon, I'll go past the way. Beat you. Beautiful dreamer.
Okay, take it up to the top. Pick up the left side.
Queen of my song.
Now pick up the right side.
Bless while I rule thee.
Pick up both sides.
I can't pick up both sides. I'm okay. I meant to do that. Drawn to the kiss of life's busy throng.
Okay, wiggle it all the way down to the bottom.
Beautiful dreamer.
All right, now take it to the tippy top. Yeah, I think you hurt me because that's some of the worst singing I've ever heard.
Now, how would you know? You can't sing.
I can too.
Can too, not.
I can too. Come here, I'll show you. Professor, hit me one of them doodads.
Oh, darling. You sound just like a jackass calling to its mate.
Fish? Well, you recognized the mating call right off, didn't you? Who is
I
that?
am not going to stand here and argue with you about it. There's one thing I know for sure, and I will bet on it.
What's that?
I will bet that my side of the audience, from this line here, all the way over to this side, can sing louder and better than your side.
Oh, listen to the donkey bray. I say this side's louder. What do you say?
Like Winnie says. Whew. I will bet that my side can sing twice as loud as your side. What do you say?
Oh, a bunch of big mouths. Well, there's one way to settle it.
Oh, yeah, how's that?
Put your money where your mouth is. We'll have a singing contest.
You are on. Musicians, if you please. Please. Ready?
Ready? Let me see if you can sing.
Let me see if you can sing. Let me see if you can sing. Come on, back to back. All right, my side, we got the la-la, so sing out. Let me see if you can sing.
Let me see if you can sing. Let me see if you can sing. Come on, make your round. What do you think? How's my side doing?
Not bad.
Yeah?
For a choir with a tone-deaf leader.
I'm tone deaf.
Hold on. This is the good part.
What's that?
This is the part where your side goes first.
All right.
My side goes second.
Uh-huh.
And then we show you.
Show me what a puffed up bag of wind you are.
That is my muscle.
My side, put your hands up. We're gonna clap our hands. Let me see if you can clap. Let me see if you can clap. Yeah, let me see if you can clap. Don't shut this movie strap. You heard me. So, you know how this movie strap.
Y'all look like a bunch of trained seals.
I'm sorry, I got to hear that gentleman toot.
What? You